Okay, 2022 Ford Mach E with the 10-speaker Bang & Olufsen system, which does not have much bass from the factory. Added the Rockford Fosgate Punch 310T using factory sub outputs. Factory sub is a 6x9 behind this panel, which does basically nothing. The bass control tucked up under here. We also put in front and rear Kenwood dash cameras. And up front, all the frunks removed so you can see where the cabling needs to go to the 12-volt battery. We just hook it up right here. It's only a 20 amp draw at most. No big deal for this 12-volt system. If you unplug this box by lifting it forward, you will lose power to the entire car. Don't freak out. It's designed to do that. A lot of cooling hoses under this frunk. But now it's got some serious bass. Thanks for watching.